disabled. Actually, this is a disabled actually. Not sharing.
You're not able to share it?
Yeah. Please, you can.
You can do one thing, sir. You share the PPT to my WhatsApp number. You keep talking. I'll share the presentation. You share the PPT to my WhatsApp number, sir.
Oh, this is a huge. It's not easy sharing actually.
I'll do that. Maybe some issue. You start. Yeah, you start speaking. You can start your speaking session. I'll share the PPT.
It's possible, no? Please give the host control means I can easy to.
Just a moment.
Okay. Please.
I've just done that. I've just done that.
Okay. Just to enable to my host.
Yeah. Can you do it?
Okay, sir. Okay, good. Okay.
Yeah.
To sharing.
Yeah.
Okay. My screen is visible, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Perfect, sir. You can go. Yeah.
Okay, no? Yeah. So any interruption, any problems, you can send the message, then I can continue the presentation. Okay. So thank you, sir. Thank you for the given opportunity. I can start immediately, sir. Now his time is going on. Okay. So today is actually the simple stuff to start the entrepreneurial journey. So is it totally I can cover the export. What is the process of the export and everything? Okay. Before this is a very important. This is everything. Any human being it should be a goal. What is a goal? Separate actually. So there is a steps. That is a very important step. What are the steps? No, that is the first. Before you can goal, you want ambition. Ambition. Tamil சொன்னா that is a லட்சியம். நமக்கு வந்து so you want to goal first. You want the ambition number one. Number two, that is a passion. So passion. நம்மளுடைய ஆர்வம். That is important. So passion and ambition is the must. But next, so you decide. Very important is the attitude. Attitude is a very important. What is attitude? Attitude means you can discuss with the supplier, customer, what is the every information that is the Tamil that is anugumurai. So that is a very important to the attitude is a very important. Okay. So that is everything should be that is a goal. This is the first message. Okay. Now, so I'm not a trainer, I'm not a consultant, I'm not an advisor. Just I am your exporter. So I am the real-time exporter. I am not a trainer, but this is my passion. That's the main passion. So actually, so today I can do the cover within our 3 parts. First part, what are the challenge of my life? That is important. Every businessman some challenges there. Number one. Number two, to enter the business that is you want to create the entrepreneurial. It's a very important awareness. Number three. After that, you do what is the procedure, documentation, costing, then you can go step by step. Actually, I can give the small information, then I can start. Okay, now, what is the first part? What is my career? What is my knowledge? Actually, my background, my family, no entrepreneur, no businessman. My family is all are professional. Mostly all are doctors actually. This is a small engineers, doctor only, nobody businessman. My family is a first businessman, and as well as I am the IT professional. My background is IT. So I'm not a commerce student, no knowledge of business, no nothing to ever. So 1990 we had the software development. Okay, in 1995, you see the flag now in Singapore. 1995, I go to actually this is my first travel to Singapore. Singapore is introducing in 1995 for the GST. So at the time I go to Singapore, I developed the software on 1995. So after that, I go the Singapore frequently. 1997, we start the business in Singapore. First, my business, international business at Singapore. This is the first, 1997. Okay, 1997, I start the business. So many challenges. Why? So business ready. I want to create the more entrepreneur. I want to go to some institution. So we need help. So we need some internship project. Nobody is given. I'm basically science students. I'm not, there is not. So I go to some institute. Now institute we need some project, some internship. Nobody help. Number 2, business startup. Business startup means what is the registration, what are the procedure? I need help. Nobody help. So I basically am at the time. So this is my challenge. Number 2. Number 3. So actually this number 3. Actually I'm in Tanjore, Athirampattinam. Actually we are the doing of Tamil medium only. Na padichadella Tamil medium na. Tamil medium padichittu. So we need any books can check panna. So English which actually at the time this is a very village side. So there is not books in Tamil book also. That's the question. And major information, I'm not an account student. So how to prepare the costing? What is the documentation? Nothing, nobody is given help. And next, how to speak to the buyer, how to speak to the supplier, nobody is given help. That is my challenges. So after that, I go to enter my business on 1997. First business, we start the business of 1997, my business in Singapore. What is my product? My product is the rice. That is a fast moving consumer. Checked in Singapore, Bharat Ponni is our brand. We are introducing in 1997. This is a Bharat Ponni. Bharat Ponni is now in Singapore, is mostly is a top product in Singapore also, Singapore market. We are introducing 1997. At the time, I faced the problem. I'm losing some different. Why? So there is no knowledge for inventory. There is no knowledge for the costing. There is no knowledge for the documentation. So my advice, somebody to create the entrepreneurial journey first before what is the inventory, what is the costing, what is the documentation. Without knowledge, you don't enter the business. So I faced the first problem. This is the first problem is internship, institutions, and next practically nobody can help of this. So at that time, actually I can go to some institutions. I could go to some auditor office. What is the inventory? What is the costing? What is the documentation I can study? After that, I developed the software. So at that time, we can put that is a business innovation. I developed the own ERP software. I'm single man only. This software is developed. This software will contain. So this is a 7-in. This is a B accuracy, business accuracy. 7-in-1 ERP: export, import, shipping, service provider, retail, payroll, inventory, and the GST model. We are already GST in 1995 in Singapore. But this software is supporting for all countries. I think this is actually at present Singapore, Brunei, Dubai. So every country is supporting of the software also. Okay, so leave it. Actually, this software, develop the software. After that, so it's possible means please this is our website also. So main thing before to enter the business, to practically know very well how to process the business. That is important. I faced so many problems. So after that, this is my robo. So at present also there is no staff in my office, but this is a robo is doing everything. Okay, so this is the business management system ERP software. After that, this is a 7-in-1 ERP also. After that, I'm smoothly doing my business. So after I can take the next business to enter the Malaysia, and the next business in Dubai, next business in Brunei, and the next business in Australia. So step by step, I can improve my business. The government given the 1-star export house. This is a star export house. What is a star export house means? The government given the star export. So to export, provide the new budding exporter. So I wanted that is my passion. So that is this government is given for the star export messages. This is a message. Okay, so this is my experience. I can face so many problems. Okay, now I can give so first nobody given the project now, but at present I do the different project. BCom, BBA, BCA, BCom, MTech, IT professional, and the MTech, and the MCA, and the MBA. I am giving the free training to the more than 500 students internship I can give. So at that time nobody given. So I can some problems created. At present, more than 500 students, I do the internship. Okay, second, what's the problem? No, nobody to help the business. But at present, this is actually, the Federation of Indian Export Organization, and another one for the MSME. This is the Micro, Small and Medium Government of India. And this is the Vigadan also, another one for the Pudhiya Thalaimurai. I can give the training to more than 25,000 aspirant entrepreneurs already given. Nobody given at that time. At present, I can give the more training. So next, I can develop this is the Tamil book actually this is Tamil book we are developing one book. This is ஏற்றுமதியில் தொழில் முனைவர் ஆவது எப்படி. This is a Vigadan Prashram. I developed the book also. I am the writer also at present. So accounting, so many problem, no, I developed the software. This is a B accuracy software. Next, I can go for the speech, more than 200 programs already finished. And more than 30 colleges, 7,500 students as well. And more than 4 international programs. Last year also, ION Asia and Singapore Library is inviting, ION Asia. Singapore Library inviting, I'm also to take the more than 120 numbers already, take the guidance service also. So this is a small information. Actually, I am the IT professional, CEO, entrepreneur, and as well as I'm the internal auditing also, and educationalist and the guest speaker and writer also. This is actually, I'm the company of the managing director and CEO of one more company. So this is a small information. Okay, now this is the second part. What does it do? What the do's and the don'ts? That is very important of the business. Okay. Now, what is the business? To enter the international business, to enter the international trade, be careful. 3 parts. Only 3 parts. What is the first part? Business formation. What are the business formation? That is a registration. What are the business? I will explain like later on. So what is the business registration? Number 1. After that, what are the procedures and the documents as well as costing? That is important. So another point, third point is which product to confirm the country and the product. So that is you can enter the international trade business. That is a 3 point is a very important. Okay, this is a oral information. Okay, next. So I wanted the international business. 2 plan is there. First plan, how to enter the plan. So you are eligible or not? First you decide think. Okay, number 1, knowledge. Very, very important. What is the knowledge? No, you do the export. You want the product knowledge. What is the knowledge? Means product knowledge, country knowledge. I will explain what are the knowledge needed. Next is the technology. So technology is very important. Third one for psychology. So international business, eating of knowledge, technology, psychology. What is the knowledge? I will explain. So the knowledge, you do the practically, you do the business. What are the practically, you do the main thing. First, do the country details first. Which place you do the export of, suppose Singapore, Malaysia, Brunei, any country, please the place of the details, number 1. Number 2, product. So which product you are interested means, don't select this one. This main thing, this is a product details, very important. Number 3, the product to export of some country, we need have some connection is there. What is the connection? No, the connection is very important. 3 points. Good supplier, good buyer, and another one for good CHE agent and freight forwarders and shipping liner. That's all. That is the very important before enter the international business. 5 point is very important. One more is a product, another one for the country, another one for supplier, buyer, and customs house agent. So customs house agent is the all together in one agent, shipping liner, customs, and forwarding agent. So that is a product. So that is a very important. That is a, then after that you do the what is the business of place. This is important. So 2 points is the product knowledge. What is the technology? In international business, what are the technology you need? No, 3 technologies is very important. Number 1, you do the business. What is the policy, procedure, and the process using technology? I will give the solution. Number 2, documentation. Very important for the documentation. Number 3, costing. So this is actually 3 point is using technology only you can using. This is a manual work. So totally some problem is created using systems. Okay, so definitely costing and documentation, definitely software is there. But what is the procedure of policy and everything? You can use some solution. What is the solution? No. So I will give us some information. So before you can enter the business, some prohibited items also is there. And number 2, do export, take NOC, no objection certificate. This is another part. Number 3, restricted, but you get the special license. So that is the procedure and policy. That is important. This is the first point. That is the solution. And number 2, What is the costing and the documentation? So at present, there is no software. That is a problem. So at the time, 1997, also no software. At present, also no software for the export documentation. I can challenge. Somebody do the business of costing and the documentation only for Excel sheet. Documentation for the where that is a Excel word. There is a Excel sheet. But Excel, you do the Excel sheet of the business, definitely some corruption is there. So at that time, I developed the one software. Even using of this software, actually, this is actually it's not a commercially. I'm the my passion. I developed the software. This I am now using costing and documentation of this software only. So definitely using technology. That is a very important. So there is actually this is a two top. Very important that before you can enter that knowledge into technology, somebody is using of compulsion, don't compulsion. But this business is a very risk. But without knowledge, don't enter the business. This is my precaution. Is there some information? Don't enter the business. So don't using a compulsion based. So risk is there. Definitely risk is there. Be careful. So without knowledge, this is the main thing. This is the awareness of the program. Okay. What about the psychology? Psychology, suppose you know the knowledge and the technology, easy to enter for the psychology. What is the psychology? So main thing, to any related, you do the business, any related person in abroad, so easy to link of the business. Otherwise, you go for the website. So both you can maintaining the email. That is a important. That is a basic information only. So the related of the abroad and as well as you can check the website, you can maintain the email. So that is the international plan number 1. International plan number 1, you do the knowledge, technology, psychology. So that is the first message. Okay, number 2, what is the business plan number 2? So very important, the business is the safety is the very important. What is the safety of the business? Some confuse the product. Sir, I do the export of fast moving consumer goods, salt, machinery, raw material, rice, some confused. So you don't confuse, but you pick that at a time, sir, I want to export of this product to this country. That is a conclusion. So that is a conclusion. So don't confuse. Somebody, sir, I am exporting of this product, I'm waiting for country. This is totally is a failure of the business. So I'm choose the country, but no product. That is a waste of timing. So you can choose the at a time. That is a vision. That is a very important. That is a vision. Vision is the plan number 2. After vision, you check the buyer. What is the convenient to buyer? Next, you can use of what is the budget? Before you can business, so the second plan is the budget. Somebody first you can start the budget is a waste of time. So second area should be using of the budget. So there is a second plan. Okay. Now there is a 2 part is over. First is my challenges. Number 2 for the awareness. Number 3. So you can start the business. What is the startup? What is the startup business? First I can do the business of. You start the business. You can choose what is the business activity. You can choose. So you want to the business, sir, I am exporting of manufacturer or trading. Otherwise, you are a service provider. So just you can decide any one. Manufacturer or merchant or trading or service. Suppose you are using service. This is a service export also is there. What is the service? R&D, educational service, legal service, veterinary service, agriculture service, architecture service, and auditing service. These all government undering of this service. What is I can focus on this service? The government given the SEIS scheme, Service India Export Incentive Scheme. 5% given for the incentives. Suppose you do any educational service to overseas, the government given the incentive 5%. Your bill is a 1 million, that is $1,000 means 5% of government given the service given. So you can choose any one. Suppose I want to interesting of manufacturer or merchant or service. This is the first you decide. This is the first point. Okay. What is the second point? Second point, company registration. So actually I am ready to interest to business to start the business. In India, what are the companies there? No. in India, sole proprietor, partnership, LLP, private limited, one-person company, public limited, trust registration, society registration, NGO, and association. There's actually 10 type of companies in Indian Act. So you don't confuse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These all separate one. This one separate. This is for NPO. This is a non-profit organization. This is all for the NPO. So non-profit organization for suppose you are using trust. Okay, leave it. So which one is best? I want to the business. I can give the some solution. Number one, sole proprietor. Suppose you are sole proprietor means you can start the business in India. Sole proprietor, what are the documents you need? Number one, office address proof, rental agreement for the 11 month. That is enough. 11 month only. So, but 20 rupees documentation. This is the value of the cost of the deed, 20 rupees. You can take the rental agreement. Suppose you can open the own house, you can produce the own property means last property tax. That's enough. And one more thing I can give the now at present, suppose I start the business, no, so we can pay the huge advance amount, less something in, that is, I can give the some virtual office there in so many at present. The virtual office not more than 1,000 rupees. This is 1,000 rupees per monthly. You can take this one also. This is a office address proof. Number two, suppose your property means Aadhaar card is a must, otherwise passport. So that is a proprietary concern. This is documentation must. Okay. And next, suppose you want the partnership. There is an individual single person you do the business sole proprietorship. Suppose you want the partnership, you want to start the business partnership means same address proof. That is no changes. Same address proof for the Aadhaar card. But one more thing, suppose any Singaporean to connect the business, suppose you are in start the business in India, to connect any Singaporean, please produce the passport. So passport to produce, then that is a address proof. And next, one more thing, 300 rupees documentation charges for the 300 rupees for the deed in India as per government. Partnership deed 300 rupees. So that is a documentation. But one more thing is be careful to partnership. So the understanding is a must. So the partnership is not easy, but be careful. So what is a be careful? Some message. So to what are the role of the each partner? That is important. Who is the sign authority? Who is the how much capital amount? What is the percentage of the profit? What is the monthly salary? Who is in charge of the HR? Who is in charge of the marketing? Who is in charge of everything should be documented? No problem. Otherwise, definitely is a problem. So be careful, partnership. So first understanding, everything should be a paperwork. So that is a number two. Okay, number three, LLP is a limited liability partnership. What are the documents? There is a minimum two. Partnership also minimum two, and limited liability partnership also minimum two. What are the procedure? Same address proof, 11 month, same property. So same address proof. So same everything. Okay. But one more thing, this is a partnership, only 300 rupees partnership deed. But this one, no need of partnership deed, but the government introducing of digital signature. So that is a digital signature, class 2 and class 3 is there. Each partner take the digital signature. And next one, director identification number also need for each director. And another one for the registration of limited liability partners. So that is the important of this one. Okay, I can give the step by step. There is a totally 5 steps is there. Number one, what the DSC is a digital signature certificate each partner. Suppose your company is 3 partner, each partner must DSC. And each partner must DIN number also. Number 3 is a third one, take the name approval. Proprietor partner, no need of name approval. But you start the liability company, limited liability partnership company, name approval is a must. It's the third one. What is the fourth one? incorporation of the LLP. What is the fifth one? LLP agreement. So that is the first 5 step for the LLP. So this is standard one. Okay, you choose the number 3. Otherwise, you want to private limited, that's okay, no problem. But the private limited is a huge process. What is the process? No more than company title, directors, and working capital. What is this one? And rental agreement and memorandum of article association, certificate of incorporation, something more than 50 numbers is there. But you do the private limited, you fix appointment of the auditor. Without auditor, 3 companies, okay, no problem. But private limited must audit. LLP also must, but more information from the private limited. So that is the first step. First step, you decide sole proprietor or partner, that is a LLP or private limited, you can choose number 1. Okay, number two, company name. Suppose you actually give some company, you can put any color, fruits or flower, that's depending on some information. Okay, what is that company you need the startup in India? First, office address, already given the 20 rupees under agreement. Number 2, must logo. This is our information. Mail address, and everything should be a OTP. This is important. And another one, some business card and business head. And important number 6 is 6 file is important for the business. Number 1, inward. Number 2, outward. Number 3, bank file. Number 5, expenses file. Number 5, other files. Last one, the 5 files, every year you can change. Every year, 5 files to be changed. But number 6, last file for the fixed assets file, don't change. So you can, the overload means you can change the file number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the fixed assets. So practically I can tell you that is a file handling. Okay, number 7, office, that is a one address, that is a chop. Chop is a very important. The chop is totally is the address, very important. Another chop for that, suppose your company is a proprietor, you can put the proprietor, or partner, you can put the partner. Otherwise, you can put the director. So this is a must. And another one for the photo is a number 9 for the, that is actually in India 10 kilobytes space only, that's all. The hard copy is at 10 kilobytes, that is a soft copy. And the signboard, this is a 4 feet and 3 feet. This is a GST is a model for this GST, some 10 points. Before you can start the business, the 10 points must. Okay, this is a number 2 is over. Okay, number 3, PAN card. In India, actually, what is the PAN card purpose? You start the sole proprietor company, no need of PAN card. So that is the particular sole proprietor's PAN card is already is there. No, don't take the PAN card. But joint business means you can take the PAN card under the company name. That is a very important. This is a PAN card. You do the sole proprietor, is a one PAN card. You can use, no problem. But joint business means the PAN card to take the under company name. That is important. It's the 3rd point. 4th point. What is the 4th point? GST. What is the in GST government? Some depending on the some requirement. What is this one? No. So this is a, you do the export. Definitely take the GST. It's a mandatory GST. But you do the business, local business below 40 lakhs turnover. 40 lakhs turnover, no need of GST registration. So you do the business export in single rupees, must, you can take the GST is the must. So this is a 4th point. So you can, this is what is the GST in gov.website, no charges. Some documentation, what are the documentation of the GST registration? What are the documentation needed? Your partnership deed, only partnership deed. Otherwise, so this is the incorporation of this LLP, means incorporation. This is a 1 MB. So the space is a 1 MB of PDF file, that is our JPG file. That is important, number 1. Number 2, each partner 100 KB. That is important. Proof of signature. This is a letter of authorization. Number 4, address proof. That is a rental agreement. Otherwise, in electric card, no problem. And the bank documentation, first page. Otherwise, bank statement. And the next, need of cancelled check. And finally, what are the documents for the sole proprietor? You need what are the documents? No, sole proprietor is not applicable. Actually, what is the number one? Sole proprietor is the photo. Each photo is a 100 KB is important. Number two, rental agreement. Number three is a cancel check. So that is a important. There is a proprietor. Is a proprietor need of three document is enough. Photo, rental agreement, cancel check. There is not proof. No, is not applicable. Proof. There is no proof of business. No partnership deed. No registration also. Okay. Suppose you do the partnership. So need a partnership deed. Number one. Number two. Each partner photos is important. And next, each partner is actually is authorized. Who is authorized signature also? And the next letter of authorization. Number 5 is the rental agreement. Finally, cancel check. So partnership deed. You do the partnership. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 document is must. And the next private limited means so incorporation certificate. Next, each partner photos and authorized signature is a photo and authorized signature also, rental agreement and cancel check. So this document enough for the GST registration. So there is a total registration, but this is what is the cost of the registration? No charges is a zero. Only the documentation need for the registration. Okay, after GST registration, next go to the bank in current account. That is a very important. Bank you open that in the name of suppose sole proprietor. Somebody some mistake is there. What is the mistake? No. Somebody you open the current account in the name of sole proprietor name. Don't open the sole proprietor name. You can open the company name in the name of company. So that is important. The 5th point. So next 6th point, you do the export IE code. Suppose you do the export business. What is the you can visit this website dgft.gov.in. You visit the website. What are the documentation need for that? From July onwards, this is actually new edition from July 1st, 2020. The government is amended it. What is this one? Your business proof of registration. You are the partnership means partnership is very important. Suppose you are proprietor, Aadhaar card is must. Number 2, proof of address. Already rental agreement, otherwise LT card. Number 3, proof of the firm bank account. This is a cancel check. But the cancel check is a very important for company, partner or private limited. There is a director or proprietor, something is there. This is a very important. So 3 documentation must. And another one all together, each should be a 5 MB is a PDF file. To upload the PDF file only 5 MB. And the next, that is, I suppose you are to apply the IE code before July, no need of digital signature. But from July onwards, is a must digital signature. Class 2 and class 3 is very important. Otherwise, to link your Aadhaar card. So anything, anyone you can choose. So that is a mandatory of the document for the IEC apply. What is the charges? Only 500 rupees. That's all. So 500 rupees. So there is a take your documentation. Okay, within week you can ready for the IE code. So that is a documentation. So this is the IE code. This is what is the number 7? After IE code, you can take the RCMC. What is the meaning of RCMC? Means registration cum membership certificate. What is the purpose of this one? So in India, some different organization is there. What is the organization? Just I can go through. So in export promotion organizations is in 3 parts. One for the authority, another one for the council, another one for board. 3 parts. But totally how many? No, so totally 37 council in India. To compare any country, so the India is a valuable some information product in India. Is a more than 37 council is there. 2 authority, 27 export promotion council, 7 board is there. Okay, what is authority? Okay, after IE code, what are the product to the export? Depending on your product only, you can register the council. So don't need of 37, no need. Okay, what is the authority? So suppose I want to export of mango, onion, vegetable, flower, or means it can register APEDA. It's a must. You do the export of agriculture product after IE code, after decide the product, you take definitely can take the APEDA. I suppose this is a totally agriculture product under APEDA. What about next one? Suppose you want the seafood, your export means AMPEDA. So that is a two authorities there. This is actually this is a government apeda.gov.in. This is a government website. Okay. What about the board? This is a board is 7 board is there. In board, suppose I am exporting of coffee from India. So coffee board, tea board, coir board, spices board, coconut board, tobacco board, rubber board. Is totally 9, 7 is totally is for this is a must board. Another one. What about this one? APC Council is Export Promotion Council. What is the product? No, some different. Just I can fast go through some product. So different product you can show no some text product, handicrafts item, plastic item, handlooms, sports items, handicrafts, carpet also, engineering product, woolen product. So there is a export promotion, software development also, service provider also. So many more than 27. This is a 27 council is there. But suppose this is for the electronic, there is a software also some separate. Sir, okay, I need all product. Why I can register all one? It's totally confused. No, each total is more than 27 council. Don't worry. Under 27 council, one apex body is there. What is the one apex body? There is a FEJO. Federation of Indian Export Organization. You can register one RCMC. Totally under all 27 come to this one. That's all. So you suppose actually I am exporting of agriculture product. I can register APEDA. I am exporting of spices product. I am the spices. Suppose I could do some textile in FIO. So there is a FIO.org. So depending on the council, depending on the year only, some amount also, some different also, some depending on the council is given for the duration of the expiry license also. So this is the RCMC. After RCMC, suppose you are do the export business of food product. This is FSSAI is suppose you do the export of food product. The FSSAI under 3 parts. Number 1 basic FSSAI, number 2 state FSSAI, number 3 central FSSAI. 3 type of FSSAI is there. This is a Food Safety and Standard Authority of India. Only you do the export of food product only under FSSAI. Okay. What is the norms of FSSAI? You do the business below 12 lakhs, basic FSSAI, that's enough. Suppose your business turnover above 12 lakhs, below 20 crore, state FSSAI. Number 3, about 20 crore, you put the central FSSAI. Okay, but you do the export. That is a very important. Somebody different. Somebody take this license. After that, the customs officer, oh no, this is not eligible. But before you start the business in food product, be careful. You can use the central FSSAI. That's all. Somebody takes state FSSAI, basic FSSAI is not eligible for the FSSAI. Central FSSAI only the eligible of export. That is a registration of only food product. Sir, I am doing a non-product, no need. But you do the food product, must. Okay, after the FSSAI registration. So depending on the action required only. Okay. This is a government FSSAI.gov.in is a website. This is a government website. And the 9th point. Sir, your order confirm means suppose I am exporting of this some product to the export of some country. Order ready. But order ready means you go to the bank, this bank, only go to this bank, you can take the AD code letter. That is a very important. AD code is an authorized dealer code. You can produce the letter to what is the purpose of the AD code? The registration of each all ports. Now from July onwards, before each port should be must register of AD code. But at present is government easy to one registration of AD code to eligible for the India all port, Chennai port, Thoothukudi, JNPT, different type port is eligible of AD code. This is the 9th point. Last 10th point, Udya Aadhar. What is a Udya Aadhar? Udya Aadhar, you do the business, merchant, that is a merchant export is not eligible for the Udya Aadhar. Who is the Udya Aadhar? This is SSA in a small scale industries, and now is government introducing MSME Udya Aadhar. You do the business of export, you do the any business, not export. This is not the export. This is actually you do the business of manufacturer or service provider only eligible of Udya Aadhar. That's all. Okay, I will give you the small chart. This is a Udya Aadhar. This is no charges. So this is a totally is a 10 point is there. Okay, I will give the small information. So manufacture, trading, service. You can put anyone. You can choose anyone. So anyone, PAN card must. Current account must. But if export means you can check the SWIFT code for the particular bank, and as well as AD code is important. And the next GST, you do the export business, definitely you can take the GST code number. That is the export inspection, that is the IE code is, if you do the export, definitely you can take service also, merchant also, manufacturer also. EPC Promotion Council, if do the export, out of 37, which product you will go, then you can decide. Aadhar card, that is a Udya Aadhar, no, you're not eligible for the merchant trading. That is a very important. So the merchant trading, no, only manufacturer and the service only eligible of Udya Aadhar. And the FSSI, you do the food product, but service, you do the any food product service, no need. So that is the another one. And suppose you do the any business of some different license. What is the suppose you do the business in medical product, separate license. Suppose you do the business any Ayurvedic product or any other medicated product, take the separate license. Suppose you want any pollution control, take the separate certificate. But this is a common certificate to register the business. This is all common business, but this certificate license for the depending on the process only. So that is a number 2 registration is over. Okay. What is the business sector in export international business, and what are the sector in international business? Government, what is the government decide? What are the government in registration? Number 1, DGFT. What is the role of DGFT? DGFT role, issue the IE code and some incentive. That is the MEIS, SEIS. Some incentives given. This is a government, number 1. Number 2 is the GST. It's a separate. Number 3 is the customs. Customs house is customs. There is a customs is you do the export of your business. You can check the everything, and as well as this customs also given the one duty drawback also is given another one. Next to export inspection council is there. What is the role of this one? You do the export business. Some country asking for the health certificate. Health certificate. Some countries asking. This is the health certificate issue of this one. Is next is for the RBI. What is the role of RBI? You do the export business to control the money. So the back to money in 9 months, or at present the COVID-19 for the 15 month for the some slab. So at present the 15 month after before COVID-19 9 months you do the export of product from the country, they remit the payment before 9 months. This is a control, is the payment control. Okay, another one for ECGC. That is a very important in export organization. What is the slogan now? You focus export, we cover the risk. Before you can enter the business in any country, any buyer, you can check the ECGC. That is very important. Another already given the export promotion council. Next is for the income tax. So totally this is cover for the, you can go, this is the government sector. But all government sector definitely take the knowledge. But you thoroughly knowledge ECGC and you can take the GST only. Thoroughly you can take the knowledge only 2 departments. But other department don't worry. Some consultant, some auditor, something is there. but you can go through the GST and ECGC is there. Okay, so that is the DGFT website. This is a GST website. This is a customs website. This is for the, this is another for the India Trade Portal.in and another one for the ECGC website. So all websites is a government website. Is a, don't worry, you can check the everything. Okay, what about the private sector in international business? What are the international business in private sector? Number one, I will give this one. So shipping and forwarding agent, number one. Number two, customs house agent, that is a CHE agent. Number three, transport and logistics firm. Next, fourth one, insurance agency. Fifth, the next one for the quality testing and packing companies and authorized of COO means certificate of origin. And another one for the supplier and buyer. And finally, some bank. So this is a totally private sector. So which one is the scrutiny of everything? You can scrutiny in your knowledge, supplier and buyer in our knowledge. Number two, packing with our knowledge. Bank, our knowledge. CH agent, that's all. Only four only to scrutiny of everything. But what about the other one? You can check no. The CH agent you can cover. This also CH agent cover. This also CH agent. This also CH agent. Please don't worry. So thoroughly, you know, well known for the no consultant of supplier, buyer, no consultant of CHA, packing, that is a directly the involved of this four only. So that is a very important. So this is one for the business sector. Okay, next one. What are the government given this incentive? That is important. Now government is no, you can either some government given the more incentives. What are the incentive? I will give you some incentive. MES. This is only for the product. Next, SES already given us some service, educational service, legal service. The government given the service. What is the percentage? Minimum 2 to 10% some based on the product of export. Another one, duty drawback. This is a textile. You do the business. Government given for the ROSCL. And this is for the customs. This is given for the DGFT. And another one for the bank is given for the some scheme, interest equalization scheme also is there. APEDA, you do the export of agriculture business, transport marketing assistance also is given, TMA. And suppose you do the import, export promotion, some capital goods, and some advance authorization. This is a government given the schemes also. So that is a very important. So everything, you can visit the website, indiatradeportal.in is a website. You can go ahead, then everything is ready. Okay, so this is a business startup information. You can choose the business activity. You go for the company registration. You do the business sector. It's a business scheme. So, but next, go ahead. So very, this is not a 1 hour, not finished, not possible. Just overall, what are the procedure? What are the products? I can click means automatically go to the interlink. This is a hyperlink. Take another 10, half an hour, 1 hour is going on. Just I can go through. Product knowledge also, you can go ahead. Country knowledge is very important. Next is for Incoterms, international commercial terms. That is also important. What is the payment terms? You also the scrutiny of the payment terms also. And next, how to process the business process, how to get the order, how to buyer selection. Next, what is the documentation is there? How to shipment process also is there. Next, finance performance, how to bank process. What is the safety process also is there. And the next for the what is the GST at a glance, and the investment also. What is the investment of the business? So some different some information is there, but 1 hour I can give a small information to you. So after that, this is a very important. The business four role is very important. What is the four role? Number one, exporter. Exporter process. Number one. Number two, shipment process. Number three, bank process. Number five, accounting process. So you do the business is a four process is a must. Is a very important. So another finally you can put the very important of some international trade businesses. 15 step is there. I am not giving this one. So main thing you can do the business. The export business is a very important of each role. This is separate. You can do the each role. So there is no timing. I will skip the everything. So be careful for the 15th step also is there. I am not to touch this. I can take this one means take another half an hour, 1 hour is there. So I can skip this one. Okay. So thank you for the opportunities given for the information. Just I can give you some, not briefly, I can only some overall, I can give you some information. So wish you all the best to become a successful businessman. Women's also, suppose you want any queries, anytime, always welcome. This is my number. This is my address also. Please welcome. Thank you. Any question or something, please you can give us some time. Okay.
Participants are now welcome to ask questions.
So my name is MC Balachandran.
Okay, sir.
Are you able to hear me?
Yeah, can definitely.
I'd like to ask you two questions. And what is the source of funding for starting a small scale business? Number one. Number two, what is your strategy on the core of business, team, product, market, and business model?
Okay, I tell you. First, the finance position in government given at present, so many scheme is there. I will give you some website, needs, 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 some scheme is there. You can visit the website. What are the government given needs scheme? You can visit the website. What are the some packing credit limit, some different export, some given for the export business, some different is given for this needs scheme.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Okay, number two, what is the core business you want to know? What is
what is the core of business? What is your strategy on core of business, team, product, market, and business model?
Yeah, so at present business model, essential product is the best, sir, at present. Fast moving consumer good and the essential product. That is a very important of at present is core is a COVID-19 going on now. So all business, at present success business of a strategy is the essential product only. That's all. That is my information message.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Welcome.
Participants, do we have more questions to sir?
Swati, you can continue.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Your insights into this topic that I know has sharpened our knowledge about it. Stories can be used to empower and to humanize. It creates magic and a sense of wonder at the world. Storytelling is a unique way for us to develop an understanding, respect, and appreciation for other cultures and to promote a positive attitude. Ace Novation Group and Blue Hornbill Club is here to walk through the difficulties in enriching the lives of children through storytelling across the globe. Watch out for the World Storytelling Championship next year and look out for many more creative programs to be launched by the Ace Novation Group. Blue Hornbill Club webinar series presents to you a talk on Vivekananda and the Chennai Connection by Ms. Tulsi Badrinath on the 18th of August at 6 p.m. All are welcome. Storytelling is another powerful weapon that can change the world, says an entrepreneur par excellence, a people person, passionate, service-minded, Ace Novation Group's founder, chairman, and CEO, Major Rajan. Sir, requesting you to deliver the closing remarks.
Thank you, Swati. Thank you, Mr. Kamaluddin, sir.
Yeah, okay.
So one great presentation. You gave us a very good insight into business. It will be really useful, especially for this current situation. A lot of people are looking for opportunities. They have no idea. I think you have got a great platform set up. It's really appreciative that all the challenges you faced since 1995, you have converted all that into a business model to help. It's very good heart of yours. I believe a lot of people are benefiting. We'll continue to help, and then we'll look forward to maybe a session with you to have better understanding on business approach. Thank you for your time, and thanks for everyone who joined us today. Have a nice evening, sir.
Okay. Thank you for the given